Good evening, Ma'am Fleur. Our topic is all about writing a position paper. Like a debate, a position paper presents one side of an arguable opinion about an issue. The goal of a position paper is to convince the audience that your opinion is valid and defensible. Position paper daw is kanang tinuod kanang like debate imo siyang i-argument og kana jung tinuod siya ba na nadyo kanang masaligan jud sa mga tao bitaw ang imuhang papel like parehing ani kanang position daw with the goal of a position paper is kanang to convince the audience kana imuhang i-convince imong audience nga kana imuhang mga opinion are valid. Ideas that you are considering need to be carefully examined in choosing a topic, developing your argument, and organizing your paper. It is very important to ensure that you are addressing all sides of the issue and presenting it in a manner that is easy for your audience to understand. Aron daw kuno kanang easy to understand sa imong mga audience maong imong i-examine ang imong choosing na topic to developing your argument and organizing your paper imong i-organize imong papel kay important daw to ensure that you are addressing all sides of the issue and presenting it in manner that is easy for your audience to understand to para daw makasabot ang imong audience. Your job is to take one side of the argument and persuade your audience that you have well-founded knowledge of the topic being presented. It is important to support your argument with evidence to ensure the validity of your claims. Importante daw kuno pod to mo hatag ka og support nga argument or mga evidence para masabtan jud kayo sa imong mga audience ba ang kana imuhang gipili nga topic or kana imuhang posisyong papel. As well as to refute the counterclaims to show that you are well informed about both sides. Analyzing an issue and developing an argument. Once your topic is selected, you should do some research on the subject matter. While you may already have an opinion on your topic and an idea about which side of the argument you want to take, you need to ensure that your position is well supported. Once nakapili na ka og kanang topic, dapat daw kuno mangita gihapon kag research on the subject matter. Well, kay mga opinion ing ana, while you may already have an opinion on your topic, an idea about which side of the argument you want to take, you need to sure that your position is nakasupport daw kanang like valid bitaw siya like kanang makatotohanan siya. Listing the pro and con sides of the topic will help you examine your ability to support your counterclaims, along with a list of supporting evidence for both sides. Supporting evidence includes the following: type of information, type of source, how to find the source, type of information, introductory information and overviews, type of in-depth studies, scholarly articles, current issues, statistics, position papers and analysis, type of source, directories, encyclopedias, handbooks, books, governments, reports, academic journals, newspapers, magazines, government agencies and associations and institute reports. How to find these sources? Use the library catalog, government websites, article indexes, Statistics Philippines, journals, articles, library catalog, and website. So, din silang mga supporting evidence nimo nga pwede nimong magamit kaning type information, kaning mga introductory information and overviews, in-depth studies, scholarly articles, current issues, statistics, position papers, and analysis. And the type of sources is the lectures, encyclopedias, handbooks, books, government reports, academic journals, newspapers and magazines, government agencies and associations. Then, asa ka mangita ning mga resource, how to find these resources, asa ka ani nila mangita, ato pwede use the library catalog, government websites, article indexes, Statistics Philippines, and library catalog. Stating your thesis. A thesis is one sentence statement about your topic. It is an assertion about your topic, something you claim to be true. Notice that a topic alone makes no such claim. It merely defines an area to be covered. To make your topic into a thesis statement, you need to make a claim about it. Make it into a sentence. Look back over your materials, brainstorms, investigate notes, etc. And think about what you believe to be true. Think about what your readers want or need to know. Then write a sentence, preferably at his point, a sample one stating what will be the central idea of your paper. This is statement that is a sentence statement about your topic. Kanang it's assertion about your topic, something you claim to be true, kanang mga paksa na nagsasabi ay kana bitong kanang thesis statement is kanang tinuod ba kanang like mga nagtungkol sa iyong tungkol sa mga paksa na nagsasabi ng mga tinuod. Organization or sample outline. Number una is introduction. A. Introduce the topic. B. Provide background on the topics to explain why it is important. C. Assert the thesis. Your view of the issue. More on thesis statement can be found below. Kanang i-introduce the topic imo sa ipaila-ila imuhang topic, then kahuman provide background on the topics, explain why is it important. Kanang provide background nganong kani nga topic, then explain nganong importante ni. Assert the thesis. Your view of the issue, more thesis statement can be found below. Your introduction has a dual purpose to indicate both the topic and your approach to it. Your thesis statement and to arouse your readers' interest in what you have to say. One effective way of introducing a topic is to place it in context. To supply a kind of backdrop that will put in a perspective, you should discuss the area into which your topic fits, and then gradually lead into your specific field of discussion. 2. Counter-argument. Summarize the counterclaims. Summarize the counterclaims and summarize. Provide supporting information for counterclaims. Mag-provide kag mga supporting information to sa imong counterclaims. Then refute the counterclaims. Then D. Give an evidence for argument. Maghatag kag mga ebidensya. Then that
Position paper, do's and don'ts. Do you use handling to separate the main parts of your paper? Do keep professional tones, don't have a criticism, excitement, accuracy, anger in your voice. Don't have a solution cost money. Unless you state a viable research plan for providing that money, don't claim your ideas will improve citizen moral useless. Use have a research data as evidence to support your claim. Don't use the words moral when you mean moral. To present and solve the problem for the state, country, world. Thus convince your audience that there is problem. Thus convince your readers that you have a solution and that it will work. Don't present a problem without backing it up with data and research as evidence. That is a problem. What is consequence? How does it negatively affect the state, country, world's goals? Don't don't offer solution without backing up with data and research as evidence that it will actually work. How how will its positive affect and state, country, world's goals? Do you use research to back up both and problem solution comparisons with competitive solution is sometimes convincing research. There are three parts of position paper. Introduction, body, conclusion. Introduction. As an introduction will identify the issue that will be discussed and state that author's position on that issue. Body. The body of papers which contain the central arguments and can be further broken up in three unique sections. Background, information, evidence support the author's position. A discuss of both sides of the issue which address and propose agreement that constructive author's position. Conclusion. A conclusion resisting the key points and where applicates suggesting resolution to the issue.